maternity cycle, as the word indicates, this topic is related to the female, and that to the person who are female who are in the reproductive age group. What is meant by reproductive age group? Reproductive age group of a female ranges from 15 years to 45 years. So coming to the today's topic, maternity cycle. Maternity cycle constitutes 5 things. It constitutes 5 things. First is fertilization. Second is antenatal period. Third is intranatal period. Fourth is postnatal period. So these are the 5 things which has been discussed under the headings of maternity cycle. But I will not discuss the fertilization or of intranatal or of postnatal or under 5 things. I will discuss only the ANC, antenatal care. Antenatal care, what is the aim of antenatal care? Aim of antenatal care or ANC is to get the healthy baby and healthy mother during the pregnancy. So this is the main aim, so that whatever the things you do, aim is fixed. You must get the healthy mother, otherwise you must get the healthy child. Then the object of studying the ANC is achieved. Now there are, so first 5 I told you, 5 cycles. Then the what 8? These 8 are the objectives of ANC. What are the objectives of ANC? There are 8 objectives. First objective of ANC is mother should be examined, advised properly regarding the ANC. Number 2, if mother conceives, then she should be given the health education regarding how to take care of herself as good as the health of the care of a fetus which is growing inside the uterine cavity. Third is, during the period of ANC or a conceptional period, there should be free and frank talk about the pregnancy and the delivery, so that the fear about the pregnancy and the delivery, that will go off. Fourth is, you must give the you must take care regarding the nutritional disorders during the pregnancy. What nutritional disorders you can see? Most common nutritional disorder we see during the pregnancy is nutritional anemia, hemoglobin percentage. Number 2 is UTI, urinary tract infection, which is most common in female. Why it is most common in female? Because length of the urethra is very small, 4 to 6 centimeters. Because of that, the UTI is more common in female as compared to the male. So, care of a female from the infections like nutritional disorder, then the UTI. Third is, this mother should be cleaned, mother should be examined and advised properly, so that she should attend the antenatal care clinic regularly. Just and do the screening for preeclampsia condition. What is preeclampsia? Increased blood pressure and presence of protein in the urine. Presence of protein in the urine is called as, and edema feet called as preeclampsia. But edema feet, presence of protein in the urine and the increased blood pressure along with the convulsion is called as eclampsia. If convulsions are seen in the preeclampsia period, that preeclampsia converts into the eclampsia, which is the more dangerous for the pregnant female. So examination and the screening of the female during the ANC has to be screened for pre-eclampsia and eclampsia. Sixth is, you must advise the patient regarding the medical termination of a pregnancy for the next conception, because female, at least she should take a gap between the two children at least for 3 years to get the healthy mother and the healthy child. So, advice regarding the MTP, advice regarding the after the ANC period, during the postnatal period, advice regarding the family planning, use of property, use of contraceptive measures, that has to be advised. So discussion has to be done, and the advice, proper advice has to be given to the mother. So these are the 8 objectives of pregnancy or intelligent care. Now remaining 5 things. What are these 5 things? Now these 5 things means, now the female is pregnant, she has conceived. So what has to be done after the conception? She has to be ANC visit. Female must visit the antenatal care clinic at least for 13 times. At least for 13 times. Every week, every month up to 7 months. Twice a 2 visits during 8 months, and every weekly in the 9 months. So 7 plus 2 plus 4, 13 times visit, clinical ANC visit has to be done. For what? For not to get the, what is done during the ANC period? The mother has advised to get her investigation done regarding the UTI. I told you, it is the most common. Regarding the hemoglobin percentage, anemia. So this has to be screened, means routine CBC, urine, DSL, serum creatinine, even stool examination if there are problems related to the stomach are there. Stool examination, because worm infestation is very much common in our country. So these are the investigations has to be done. What advice you can give to the female during ANC period? The advice is given that she should gain minimum 12 kg of weight during the pregnancy. Number 2, she must have sound sleep, 2 hours sleep in the afternoon, daytime, and 8 hours sleep in the night. She must get the adequate quantity and quality of food, so that weight gain of the mother occurs and baby growth, this fetus grows properly. She must avoid 3 things. Number 1 is there should not be constipation. Half stools are, passing of half stool is not allowed. Number 1 is no constipation. Number 2 is smoking. Number 3 is alcohol consumption. During the pregnancy, female should avoid. This is not common in our country, but in Western countries these things are common. So, no constipation, no smoking, no alcohol consumption during the pregnancy. If these 3 things are carried out, means what happens is low birth weight baby occurs. Low birth weight baby means weight of the baby is less than 2.5 gram or 2500 2.5 kg or 2500 gram. That is called as low birth weight. So weight gain, then this sleep, bad habits, and during the ANC period, she must get the 2 to 3 dose injections of tetanus toxoid in 6, 7, 8 months or 7, 8, 9 months. Minimum 2, maximum 3 doses of tetanus toxoid injection has to be given. This will prevent the tetanus infection during the pregnancy to the mother and to the baby up to the 6 months after the delivery, because antibodies against the tetanus, they are circulated in the circulation in the body of the baby up to 6 months. So injection TT is must. So this is first is, I told you, ANC visit. Second is investigation. Third, what advice you can give. Fourth is, after the delivery, you must advise her regarding the use of contraceptive measures, use of what are the family planning methods are there, like tubectomy, hysterectomy. If mother has got 2 living children and the age of the elder children should be more than 5 years, then the family planning methods like tubectomy and hysterectomy can be carried out. Fourth is under 5 clinic. Means what? Here the baby is delivered up to the 5 years of age. There is a clinic which is run everywhere in the hospital called as under 5 clinic. Means the children up to the age of 5, they are examined, screened and advised properly regarding how to take care of the baby, what immunization schedule has to be carried out. This everything is taught in the under 5 clinic. So this concludes today's topic.